Welcome to our channel. If you want to link your Peacock account to your smart TV, follow these easy steps to start streaming your favorite shows and movies. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV and make sure it's connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Step 2. Navigate to your TV's App Store, which might be called LG Content Store, Samsung Apps, Google Play Store, or something similar depending on your TV brand. Step 3. Search for the Peacock TV app in the App Store by typing Peacock in the search bar. Step 4. Download and install the Peacock app on your smart TV by clicking Get, Install, or Download. Step 5. Once installed, open the Peacock app and select Sign In on the welcome screen. Step 6. You'll see an activation code displayed on your TV screen along with a website address, usually peacocktv.com TV. Step 7. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, go to the website shown on your TV screen and enter the activation code. Step 8. Log in to your Peacock account when prompted, and once you complete the login on your mobile device or computer, your smart TV will automatically refresh and sign you in, giving you full access to all Peacock content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.